Chief Executive Member met protesters at DGC, assures admission to deprived students. Awareness program on farming held at Paklongkang. First football prize money tournament underway in Donghap. Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live. I'm Julie Hansepi with the latest news for today. And now the news in details. Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang had on Tuesday met the students and other protesters at Diphu Government College and assured that all left out students will be admitted in the college in due course of time. Here is more from our report. The indefinite protest by students along with leaders of several students' organizations which began on September 9 entered the sixth day on Tuesday in demand of admission to students who are left out. Getting the news of the continued strong protest, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Chief Tuliram Ronghang on Tuesday paid a visit to the college campus and spoke to the students. In his address to the students, CM Ronghang said that no student will be deprived from getting admission. CM Ronghang said that all students who have previously not been selected will also be admitted in the college very soon. The official order for taking in more students in the college will arrive soon, and he had needful communication with the higher authority. The CM also told students and media persons that Daithor Model College has been approved by the college and academic sessions will begin very soon. As such, more students of the districts will get the opportunity for higher education, and that issues like not getting admission into colleges will be removed in the coming years. He also talked about the newly introduced science stream in Eastern Karbi Anglong College, said that more students will be able to study science without spending large amount of money. Further, he said that the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council is always there for the welfare of the students and that they were pursuing the matter for its permanent solution even though they appear to remain silent for the past 6 days. Supporting the long-standing demand of the students' organization on transfer of DGC Principal Dr. Nirab Kumar Sharma, the CM said that processes are still on. He stated that Dr. Sharma is still in DGC because of the interference of the court orders which he managed to secure every time the council takes up any further step. Nevertheless, he urged the organization leaders to carry on the protest and work together with the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council for the development of the college as well as the educational environment of the district.
Kapre-kapre polazan si duulo pulong te dak admission ng leading the seat capacity lamde. Sa kapre gading non si pulas sa kapre-kapre non education pulas ta government del ponelo lapen ke ongno pulas ta del ponelo stan pulas ta del ponelo lapen rangsina pulas ng kamutan ta del ponelo non la kupli pulas pen harogat pulas la ta kapre del ponje thani di kample momno masih kabin kami lai ta del ponlo pulong te along kapre-kapre ke admission. Lahai kami nitum kupi manangin nitum rapun polang government dan jengki po ban nitum kipo alang laha pu cukup suya lama kama itu mana principal ban kaita positive thinking kalau beda negative thinking mana lama itu council kan prima division man lagi council lama ba masih alji dan bukulah kan ada mafan ini semua Karbi Autonomous Council kan alang kana apa nggak release loh, tapi suspend dah klaim dalam hal itu aroma sting lagi klaiman di bangga pun klaim aja.
Despite the CM visiting the college and talking to the students, the principal Dr. Sharma was not seen on the scene. Protesters have said that this was a total disregard towards the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council by the principal. Owing to the assurances given by the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council chief, the leaders have called off the protest for the time being. However, they said that if the authority fails to keep the commitment, they will be bound to resume the protest on a larger and vigorous scale. Roshan Hanses report from Diphu, Karbi Anglong Live. 6 Army Karbi organizations staged a sit-in demonstration in front of the Circle Office Sonapur on Tuesday, demanding immediate inclusion of the Army Karbis in STDs. Leaders of Army Karbi organization had shown their displeasure with the government policy of not granting ST status to the Army Karbis living outside of Karbi Anglong and said, if Karbis living in hills are ST, then why not the Karbis living in plains even after being descended from the same ancestor? The Army Karbi National Council, Army Karbi Students Union and other Karbi organizations observed sit-in demonstration at Sonapur, reasserting their long-standing demands for granting of ST status to the Army Karbis living outside of Karbi Anglong. The organizations have also raised the demand for creating a separate autonomous council, Army Longri, under 6th schedule of the Indian Constitution for the development of the community.
Not Karbi community, আমি এটা ঠাল আমি পিছন ৰহা সেইটো বহুত এটা তাৰে আমি ব্লক এণ্ড ব্লকটো আছে তেওঁলোকে এটা ST হিল যদি তাৰ আমি যদি ST হিলছ হয় আমি কিয় নহয় আৰু তাৰ আমাৰ যদি পূৰ্বপুৰুষ ST হিলছ হয় আমি তাৰ ডিসেন্ডেন্টবিলাকে কিয় নহ'ব এইটো গভৰ্ণমেণ্টে
Several leaders of the Army Karbi joined the mass protest for fulfillment of their decades-old demands. The protesting organizations said that the protest will continue again and again and will grow stronger until the government accepts their demands. On this matter, a memorandum addressed to Assam Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, Welfare of Plain Tribes and Backward Classes Minister Chandan Brahma and Dispur Constituency MLA Atul Bora was submitted through the local circle officer. As election favor is slowly spreading to newer areas, 33 persons belonging to Congress have joined the Bharatiya Janata Party during a BJP mass joining meeting held inside a Korkanthi MEC constituency. The BJP mass joining program presided over by Mandal President Dolo Inti was held at Phongbirik Higher School. The objective of the program was to discuss about strategies for election. Guests present in the meeting included E.M. Raju Tiso, BJP East Karbi Anglong District Committee Secretary Dilip Ronghang and VDC Chairman Khogan Tiso were introduced and welcomed by Mandal Secretary Chandro Inti. While addressing the event, Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council E.M. Raju Tiso said that many people from different political parties are joining BJP in huge numbers due to the quality leadership of CM Tuliram Ronghang, who have brought immense development in the hill districts. The new members who joined BJP told media persons that they joined the ruling party due to the poor leadership of the Congress party inside the Korkanthi constituency and that they have no faith left with the party. In addition to this, the newly members claimed that they joined BJP due to the great work and development they witnessed in the district under the BJP government. Samsung Inti report from Dokmuka for Karbi Anglong Live. With an aim to promote agriculture and guide the local farmers in scientific methods of cultivation, the Karbi Farmers Association and the Sericulture Department on Tuesday jointly conducted an awareness program in Paklongkam. The program, jointly organized by the Karbi Farmers Association and Assistant Director of Sericulture, was held at Mentaro Community Hall in Paklongkam. KFA Paklongkam Branch President Mohan Inti chaired the program and was attended by KFA CEC President Tinku Inti, Secretary Soron Singh Rongpi, along with several other members of the organization. Sericulture Department Demonstrator Dhruban Basomatari was present as resource person. In the program, local farmers were given instruction on the scientific methods of farming. They were also told about various government schemes that are meant to help and assist the farmers. Apart from that, the resource person talked at length about the methods of rearing silkworm and cultivation of its fodder plant. He pointed out that silkworm rearing is a good source of livelihood if taken as a serious job.
খালি জুন জুলাই মানে 7 ফুট মান ওপৰত কাটি দিব লাগে মানে লিভস বেছি প্ৰডাকশনৰ কাৰণে আৰু পাতটো বেছি হ'ব পাৰে পাত বেছি হ'লে আমি মানে বেছি পাম এডাল গছতে আমি ভালেমান ফুট পুহিব পাৰিম এই প্ৰসেছটো আপোনালোকে পাৰ্মানেণ্ট পট বনাওকচোন আমি হেল্প কৰিম কাৰ দিছোঁ না কে ভুল দিছোঁ একো দিব পাৰে কিন্তু মাটিটো আমি ইয়াতকৈ বেছি আছে আমাৰ এভেইলেবল মাটি আমাৰ কিন্তু আমি ইউটিলাইজ কৰিব তেওঁলোকৰ কিমান চব্জি আজি কিমান বছৰৰ পৰা চব্জি দি আছে ডিমাপুৰলৈকে চব্জি দিয়া নাই গতিকে তেওঁলোকে ধনী হ'বনে আমি ধনী হ'ম
During the event, KFA urged upon the local farmers to contact the local sericulture department for all help and assistance with regard to rearing silkworm. They also informed them that the department is willing and ready to provide their seeds as well as fodder plants.
Waralong nilitum karbisai ju tiga song lapen sericulture department pen cerap rap si pini ingki ke pangreng seki made cerok to amai dak ipadu abangke athela soha waralong ingki ke pangreng asai eklem bang kacihung lo lapen miu pusi department dumta nilitum long nang cerap dun no
ilitu bana kono hormu elo ke matung lo Rongkuda sosana nih, kita pangbar tanah koi, rongkuda penguli tu nak, borbila penguli tu nak, samuhuri lah nak. Kalau mana ni, power kita dah lete le, alang sana mesin dah lete le, tractor lete le, asoka cili lete le, deh, kuretia cili, hipia cili pencenglah, full kopi, banda kopi, gagal pencenglah, apa fokus celah.
Farmers who attended the program were given one knife and rearing tray, each to help them in their respective farming works. Samsung Intis report from Dongmuka, Karbi Anglong Live. After showing no signs of improvement from treatment at Guwahati Medical College and Hospital, Horjan Terang has sought financial assistance from Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang for the further medical treatment of his ailing 6-year-old son. Horjan Terang and Kadam Ronghangpi, residents of Umserang under the Chintong MAC constituency, West Karbi Anglong, have appealed upon the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CM Tuliram Ronghang for financial assistance for the medical treatment of their 6-year-old son, Langtuk Terang, who has been paralyzed for the past many years. The parents of the ailing child told Karbi Anglong Live that they have exhausted all of their money and could not afford anymore as they are in very difficult position. Kadam Ronghangpi, the mother of the child in particular, has appealed upon CM Tuliram Ronghang and EM Prodip Rongpi for their help for the further treatment of her son. Intending well-wishers are requested to send in money to the account of Kadam Ronghangpi at AGVB account number 7466010096 Mohan Terang's report from Pelangpi for Karbi Anglong Live. Moving towards the news from the world of sports, the first football prize money football tournament in memory of Kamjoy Tokbi is underway in Donghap. The football tournament is being organized by Donghap Sports Club. Late Kamjoy Tokbi is considered to be one of the most important persons from areas covering Donghap, Thedong, Thiribasa, Misolong Janinglong, and he was very respected for his wisdom and visionary outlook. Tokbi was highly adored for his skills in folk song, dance, council, wise decision in traditional village council, and is credited to be the first person to call vehicle to make entry into their area. He was also credited to be instrumental in establishing the first polling station inside the hilly Thedong area at the time when Joy Singh Doloi was the CM and Hanura Match was the MAC of the then district council. Late Kamjoy Tokbi was credited for bringing several growth and changes of his area. The first football tournament is being organized with the joint effort of 8 villages through Donghap Polling Station and Donghap Sports Club. The tournament was inaugurated by SGB Babu Tokbi, son of late Kamjoy Tokbi, in presence of Karbi Anglong Sports Association Vice President Borseng Kro, BDC Chairman Thoram Singh Kro, Nomati Mandal President Jyoti Timong, Denorong Bajar Committee Secretary Prodip Ingti, Denorong Primary Health Center Chairman Babu Ingti, and several respected individuals of the area.
Đang tuổi cái hello itu Guwahati ba lason khela dhula thekon longme adoini dak dong hap lason na khela dhula bi tenla pining sendiri tum kibor ipon gepang ceng la lafi di giti sarti sa kunang pat thekon long nang ko phan sendiri tum bor ipon lo lafi kitang Kamjoy Tokbi alang di cepaduk pon asona khak militum kitame lason cepaduk pon di sendiri tum milining cerot fruit tansi abidet utame militum bor ipon lo tapi kalitang Kamjoy Tokbi akan panol konsi militum labangso khela mate labso football tournament militum di poniglo
halaso du alangtung seceng humusia so pustame asijon nat girwarsi police station alangtung hantang apa cipu si than nam pensi school ini tumlong lo ada polling center tadi tumlong lo kedong habar pusame alang ni pela sida khela dula pen pusame phiralong pusame tini pensi tuming lo lase tini pensi khela bong football khela stame tini pen asi phir tuming ko.
The opening match was played between Denarong Chirinti FC and Dongmokak Morning Star Academy, with the latter team dominating the game from the start and winning the match by 6-4 goal difference. Bikram Terran's report from Denarong, Karbi Anglong Live. Well, that's all we have with us for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live.